the Florrie Chappell Gymnasium, which we always referred to as the old gym. And it was the old gym back then because they had built a new one, which has since been torn down and replaced by the Storm Dome. But a lot of things happened there during my college experience. All the intramural games, like basketball, were played in there, and they were heated, especially between the fraternities. It was, he came out with bloody noses and scraped elbows and bruises, sprained ankles, and everything like that. Some of the other things that I can recall is I think we had the swinging medallions play in there one night, and it was an interfraternity council dance. And the big thing back then was see which fraternity could take over the dance. Of course, we had a lot of good dancers. I know my mom talked about the old gym, and she was there. She was a student when it was 2-year school back in the 40s, and they had dances, but the biggest thing she remembers is jumping in that cold water, that swimming pool in the basement. I can say I've never jumped in that pool. I didn't. Nobody threw me in either. It was just a great meeting place, a great place that was a central part of the campus that everybody enjoyed going to. And I think that's important today for students to have that centralization and have that camaraderie with each other. We got the upcoming campaign of One Day of Giving, and that is October the 10th. And I would encourage anyone that can to participate in that. And let's help Georgia Southwestern State College grow into the university that it should be.